Today I'm going to show you how to increase the grain of a picture in the Photoshop app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here we just go into the top row, click on filter, then we click on camera raw filter, and here in the right side we scroll down, and under effects we have grain. We can increase the grain of the picture or just leave it where it is. Then we have this little triangle icon, and here let me show you. If you increase the grain, the picture becomes more grainy. As you can see, here you can set the size of the grains as well. Larger or smaller sizes, like this. And then the roughness as well, if you want them to be rough or not so rough. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.